Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chest. I'm here today to talk to you about the one and the only XRP. We're going to be breaking this down from an update fundamental perspective and then going into the chart to look at it from a technical analysis perspective and seeing how we can make some money trading this asset today. Okay, so let's start off just with a CMC update, and you can see here in the last month, XRP is actually down around 1.53%. Completely explainable because the markets are taking a bit of a dip now. Bitcoin at $108,000, down from 123, I do believe, and it's only natural for XRP to really take a dip alongside that. Okay, we did see XRP really spike up at the start of August and sort of hold its level there. But you can see it's just kind of performed a bit of a downtrend, breaking lows, lower highs. It's not looking too good over the last month, but again, still at break even, so not too bad. This is where the numbers are going to hurt. At the 7-day, around a 7.32% reduction here. In the last day alone, 2.43, with a little bounce back here at around $2.72. Currently priced at $2.74 here, and with a market cap of $163 billion, which is absolutely outstanding here in terms of market cap for this asset. In terms of general news for XRP, there's nothing that much to report apart from potential ETF stuff happening here and just general people just massively accumulating this asset because of what is potentially going to be coming in the future. Now the SEC have kind of backed the hell off. Okay, so let's go into the chart and let's really break down where this could be going and how we could be making money profiting from this. Just before we do that, guys, if you guys are looking to trade XRP, go check out BitUnex. They have a massive deposit bonus for my community specifically. Now, this deposit bonus is literally 10% on anything that you deposit up to $2,000. So if you put in $2,000, you actually get $200 for free to trade with. Okay, this works for new signups and also current signups who already have BitUnex accounts. You just need to type in the code or click on the link in the description for you guys to claim that offer. And you can see it's not available for too much longer, so go get involved with that while you still can. Let's get into the chart and let's see. But guys, if you want to buy this dip, then BitUnex is the place to do it because you basically get massive bonuses for doing that as well. Okay, so we saw that XRP took an actually massive swing to the upside, obviously back in November when we saw Trump come into office here. But recently, we have seen us break highs. Okay, we have seen us break highs. Not quite certain it's all-time highs. I do believe it. No, it is all-time highs. Yeah, it is all-time highs. Up at around that $3.70, $3.80, $3.66, funnily enough here. And from there, we have seen quite an aggressive pullback, to say the least. Okay, now this aggressive pullback is representing actually quite a healthy chart. Okay, a pullback of 24% after seeing an asset literally explode from 50 cents all the way up to literally $3.66 here. It's only natural to pull back, okay, and completely healthy to do so. Okay, so even if we were to come down to, I don't know, $2.29 or whatever and have literally a massive correction, that's still absolutely fine, absolutely healthy indeed. Now, if we are looking at chart patterns, then you can see here that we do have a descending triangle chart pattern. Okay, descending triangle chart patterns, guys, they do tend to usually break to the downside. They descend, the price descends with it, and then we have a nice little breakout here after breaking the low, which we just have done, and then we see a nice move down. There is potential for a lovely measure move here for us to be taking advantage of this move down, and it does open the floodgates here for a lovely massive short position on BitUnex. Okay, so massive short position on BitUnex, which you guys can take advantage of a massive deposit bonus if you want to. Okay, I know I am, I'll tell you that. Now, the short position I'm referring to here is when we break this level down, see a candle body close at just below this wick here on this level of around 2663. Then I will be entering a lovely short position, running that bad boy down for nearly 10%. It's around a 9% move, guys. And you can see pretty much every single time we're testing this area in previous price action, it's very rare that we actually break through it, okay? It's only happened literally like twice here. So it's very, very likely that if we do dump down, even if we hover around this area for a little while, we will likely continue, because that is what's happened in previous price action from these areas of resistance here multiple times, okay? So let's just be very, very cautious of that and get ready to make some money when that does happen. As I said, it's worth around 9%. We do want to be splitting up this position into 4 take profits. 25% equity at each of these take profits is the advised strategy here. Obviously, not a financial advisor. Do your own research, all that good stuff. But what we're really looking for here is bounce points here where our position could potentially get reversed on. Okay, so for example, we definitely have levels of resistance here over on this side, which does also form levels of support. Okay, we have seen this in previous price action, and if we do dump down, we could actually see us bounce and rebound from there. Now, why is it important, guys? Because if we get to here and we haven't already taken profit at all, then it's basically going to get reversed on. We're going to have a stop loss here. What we want to do here, we want to enter, we want to hit our first take profit, and then we want to take our stop loss, move our stop loss to our entry point, and then we're basically in a risk-free position. So if we do get reversed on at all, we've already taken profit here, and yeah, we're already in the money. Okay, so then we're in a risk-free trade. All right, so that's all what we're looking for there for XRP. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Roughly around a 10% move. Definitely something that I do see coming into fruition here. Looking pretty nice overall. Bitcoin's pulling back. The whole markets are pulling back. Nothing's looking really bullish right now. So a short position like this is favorable. Now, not only is it a favorable position, it's also a really good time to be DCAing into XRP if you're not in already, okay? After seeing these highs at around $3.66, currently trading at $2.77, if you're literally to buy now and ride this back up to all-time highs, you can be looking around a 32% gain on your investment, guys, okay? So you put in literally like 10 grand, you're gonna be literally like 3 grand up here. It's quite a big chunk of money here. Chunk of percentages to be earning here on your capital when we do actually eventually run that up, which we will. Okay, and if you guys are looking to trade XRP, go to BitUnex, get that trading futures bonus and take advantage of it. If you're looking for like 125x on Bitcoin, go take that $200 that you're going to get from depositing 2 grand. You can even deposit, get the bonus, and then withdraw. It's completely free to do all of that, guys. So there's literally free trading bonuses waiting for you to take advantage of. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description for that. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.